Make sure you don't let the cops see you doing it.
Nothing wrong.
Because he'll be like, you don't have permission to fucking film me.
Oh yeah. Brutal. Yikes.
I can't believe they're actually going to pull it out with a fucking truck. I thought they'd at least use a tow truck. Hey, you probably see this and he's just going to be like, what the fuck?
Is this gonna work?
I don't know. Should I be like zoomed in?
Zoom out so you get the back of the truck and the front of the truck.
Oh, I got that. Yeah, I actually moved in a little bit.
See the back part of the truck? Oh yeah, that's a good angle.
Yeah. I can't believe that. Look at how fucking tilted it is, man. Like, that's crazy. Oh, you're revving it up. Here we go. Holy fuck. He's not gonna take a run at it. Oh!
Spinning.
Spinning? What? Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's definitely spinning. This is badass, dude. They're just going nuts.
Probably an empty trailer.
Probably, but he's just fucking giving her, though, man. Oh, he snapped the chain! Did you see that? I hope to God I got good coverage on that. He snapped the fucking chain clean off. Man, this is fucking badass.
I might as well pause it again and save the video.
What's he doing? Oh, they're looking at the wheel now. Like, oh, fuck, son. That's just bad. He's just like, man, that's bad.
What are you even working at?
Dude is fucking confused. He's like, why didn't this work? The fucking dog chain. Yeah. Transport. Pulling. Transport. Yeah. Let's get in on this. Oh, he moved it. But the problem is he's not moving, he's just moving the truck.
Yeah, that trailer could end up just staying there.
Oh. Oh, shit. Holy shit. It's off the wheel.
It's not even attached, though. Hopefully that trailer doesn't come this way.
Nice.
Start of the chain.
Chain. That's all they used. That's low. Like, seriously. Oh, fuck, I'm zoomed in so far, I'm right shaky. I can't believe they just used that chain. Like, that's all. It snapped the first time. Oh, apparently he's good to go.
It doesn't look like the trailer's attached.
No, it looks like it's extremely low.
And the side of it's busted off there.
Hmm?
The side of it seems a bit busted off, too.
Oh. I got the crack on film. I'm like, what's that going across the fucking screen? You know, it's just a fucking big crack in the windshield. He's gonna be able to... Oh, he's moving it.
Got the back brakes locked up on the trailer.
Oh, there they go. He's all good. Badass. That was fun. I thought they definitely need a tow truck. The fucking cop didn't even stay.
Yeah, he did. He left just after.
Oh, did he?
Well, let's,
Yeah, I don't know why I paused that. We're just gonna go look at the snowbank. Fuck it. Because he got stuck on, like, just the one side, and then it just kind of tipped. So, if we notice, like some tracks in there, and then that's where he went over. Hey, you wanna take the pass?
no.
No? 'Cause I can't really get a good angle on it, but it's kind of big. Yeah, I can't really get a best angle on it. Can you pull up a little more?
Well, he wants to.
That's a big old bomb. Yeah, we're good. And now we're trying to get out. I gotta roll my window up. Okay, we're good.